Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a crisscross cake. Here we've got 2 by 8 inch cake layers, thin layers. And then here we've got 2 by 8 inch cake separators. And here I've got my already whipped fresh cream. Let's start. So make sure your cake layers are thin so that your cake won't be too tall. So basically here we are crumb coating the cake. Right. Make sure you subscribe and like our page so that you see more videos and more recipes. So once you've done crumb coating your cake, we now go on to the second tier. Well, this one chills in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Alright, now I'm doing the third and final layer of our cake. As we said earlier, make sure your cake layers are thin. After chilling our cakes, now I'll show you how to put the outside coat of the cream before we stick the cakes. Now that my layers have chilled, I'm now going to put the final layer of cream. Here I've tinted my cream with pink food color. My cake will be ombre, so we'll be having 3 different shades of pink. So with fresh cream, you need to work fast. So my cake height is about 2.5 inches. Between 2.5 to 3 inch should be fine. I prefer using fresh cream over buttercream. It's less sweet. So now we'll use our cake scraper smoothen our cake. So here what I'm doing is scraping, then filling the gaps. So for you to achieve a smooth and clean finish, you need to scrape and fill until you're satisfied with your results. With the first layer, we're done with the first layer. Now let me quickly finish up the other two layers. I'll get back to show you how to stack them.